Assalamu alaikum and good morning students. I hope you all are fine. Students, as we have started our chapter number 2, that is uses of computer. As I already told you, the use of computer in different places like home, school, offices, banks, railway stations. Now today we will learn about the use of computer at airports, shops and for entertainment. Now let's open your book. Okay, now students, let's open page number 13. Write down date at the top, 31st August 2020. 2020. Let's start reading it. Computers at airports. At airports, computers are used for keeping record of passengers, reservation and cancellation of tickets, keeping records of the arrival and departure time of the planes. Computers at shops. Number second is computers at shop. In shops, computers are used for preparing bills for customers, maintaining records of stock and prices of different items. Now number 3, computers for entertainment. In the entertainment industry, computer can be used for playing educational games, watching cartoons, movies. Now, number 1 point in this is making high-tech games. Number 2 point is composing music. Number 3 point for entertainment is making cartoons and animated movies. Okay, now students, today we use computer at airport for booking tickets to keep the record of the passengers, and also like railway station we keep the record of the reservation and cancellation of tickets for plane. Secondly, we use the computer in shops to prepare bills of the customer related to their items that they want to buy, and also and, and shopkeepers also maintain the records of the stocks and their prices. Now number 3 is for entertainment, which means what type of fun we want or we can do on it. Okay, like we can watch cartoons, movies, we can also listen music, poems, and we can also play different types of games on it. Okay, now okay students, now let's move towards the book work. Okay, now students, open page number 15. We are going to start question number 1. Write down the date first, that is 31st August 2020. Okay, now let's start reading it. Question number 1 is take the correct answer. A. Computers are used at home for making bills, watching cartoons, keeping record of the patients. That the correct answer is watching cartoons. Number B. Computers are used at schools for studying, listening to song, and number 3, designing buildings. The correct answer is studying. Okay, now students, let's move towards the page number 16. Move towards the next page. Let's start reading it again. Number C, computers can be used in offices for chatting with friends, printing letters, money withdrawal. The correct answer is printing letters, because in offices we use it for printing letters. Number D, computers can be used at railway stations for issuing current tickets, doing homework, diagnosing diseases. The correct answer will be issuing current tickets. Computer can be used in shops for preparing bills, composing music, depositing money. The correct answer will be preparing bills. A computer does not have emotions or memory. The correct answer is emotions because emotions related to humans do not. There is no need of emotions for machine. Now come to question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the help of jumbled word. Here after the sentence here are some jumbled words given after each sentence. You have to just look at these jumbled words carefully and find out the answer of the blank. I am doing 2 blanks for you. Rest of the 3 blanks B, C and E you are going to do by your own. Now I am doing number A. Computers are used in dash for diagnosing diseases. As here it is written that SIAHLPOTS. These all letters belongs to hospitals. So I write it down hospital. Now number D, computers help at dash for reservation. SIPARRTO. These all letters belongs to the word airport. So I write it down airport. Now just judge all the jumbled words and find out the correct answer in it. Just complete your work and send me your work, picture of your work. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.